こんにちは。Today's Tao Not clear. 我は一人、悶々たり。I alone am not clear. Chapter 20. Why do we want to see things clearly? Intelligence is too highly appreciated, Lao Tzu might say. Or do we want to be a clairvoyant to avoid another financial disaster? When we see things clearly, we are just looking at the reflection on the mirror, but not the light itself. Look at the sun. Can you see the light clearly? You are Tao and dark depth. Tao is not clear. You don't have to see yourself clearly. Thank you. See you tomorrow for the next line of Tao Te Ching.